Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. How to create a profile on Threads. Are you planning to join Threads but unsure how to create your profile correctly? In this video, you will see the exact steps performed live. Let's begin creating your Threads profile without wasting time. From your phone's App Store screen, search for Threads, an Instagram app. From the search results, tap on the install button and wait for the app to download. After installation completes, tap on the Open button to launch the Threads app. On the welcome screen, tap on Login with Instagram to continue. From the list of Instagram accounts shown, tap on the account you want to use. Below the profile details, tap on either Public Profile or Private Profile. After selecting Profile Visibility, tap on the Continue button at the bottom. From the final confirmation screen, tap on Join Threads to complete setup. After setup finishes, land on the Threads home feed with your profile active. Now your Threads profile is ready, and you can start posting, replying, and exploring conversations right away. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.